vlog. So today is day what? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Is day 4 of me stuck in the house. Um, I had got a nail in my tire. Don't know how, but your girl got a nail in her tire. So I don't have a way to get around. But my daughter's friend is going to take me to Target because I have to get a little bit of fresh air, y'all. Like, I literally have to get out this house. I just need to get out of the house just for a little while. I'm going to try and find that Khole popcorn. That Khole popcorn and something else just so while I'm in the house, uh, I can have some. Well, I have food in here, but I just wanted to try that Khole popcorn. My tires should be ready tomorrow. And then I go back on Thursday for 3 days, and then I'm off Sunday. So my 4 days I've been in the house filming content, trying to be productive while I'm in the house because I feel like, I did have to pull. Yesterday I didn't pull myself together, but today I did, and Sunday. But today I was like, okay, Tamika, we're not going to have a part 2 of just laying around. So I feel like when you look good, you feel good. A 1-2 beat real quick and just, get up. So that's what I did. I'm just waiting on them to see what time we're going to leave. And I probably will bring my vlogging camera. I was looking for these hand sanitizer sets that got the little, what is it? These little accessories that go along with it. So I was going to try and run in Five and Below to see if they have that. And then, like I said, go to Target. Other than that, I ain't doing much, y'all. I did try some new makeup from NYX. This here is the Blur Sunscreen SPF 30, y'all. Now, I'm going to be honest. I'm that girl that don't wear sunscreen like on my body, but I haven't been wearing sunscreen on my face. It might sound crazy, but I was like, okay, I'm a combination, which is oily combination skin. And I was like, if I add sunscreen, it's just going to like not sit well on my face. It's just gonna make me look greasy or whatever. But y'all, let me tell you, this thing right here does not make me look greasy at all. Like, I just felt like it was just extra layers. Like, if I wear makeup, I didn't wear sunscreen, but if I didn't wear makeup, I wore sunscreen. So far so good. So yeah, it has cactus flower and coconut juice. So yeah, so far so good, y'all. I really like NYX stuff. And then I've been wearing this here NYX brow glue. As I cut out the whole carving on my brows in the morning, yo, when I tell you it has saved me so much time, like so much time using this. And then I have on the NYX butter gloss. These here was my absolute favorite, y'all. I used to buy these like crazy. This one here is in praline. Also have on this liner. Lip liner in espresso. Yeah, that's the lip combo that I am wearing at the moment. And I did get that new Mickey Mouse hand sanitizer from Ulta. Well, I got mine from Ulta. They are from Touchland. Let me see. I was saying, y'all, I am in love with this hair pouch, y'all. This hair bag. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's just so stinking cute. I did switch back to my Speedy. I go to work. It's easier for me to carry this type of bag versus that handheld bag. So isn't that cute? What's wrong with you? Oh. So yeah, I got this, y'all. Let me tell you, you do not have to buy two. Because I made that mistake when I bought my Hello Kitty. Because I don't know, for some reason, I just didn't know that these here are removable. So I didn't buy two this time because I did buy two of the Hello Kitty. But with this one, I bought one. So all you do is just change the, you can just change your hand sanitizers. You don't have to worry about buying too. The Hello Kitty, y'all. And then I have the Mickey Mouse. I hope they bring out the Minnie Mouse because this is just so stinking cute, right? Big. This smells a little different than the original Touchland. So yeah, I got the Hello Kitty and the Mickey Mouse. So anytime they come out with the limited editions, I'm buying them. Like I don't care, I'm buying them as long as they cute. I'm buying them, and they like $20 for the limited edition. So I'm assuming you paying $10 for the hand sanitizer and $10 for the case. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do now. I have this here band on because I'm trying to melt my lace. Buy another wig, y'all. When I tell you I wore the crap out of this wig to buy another one, but with everything that's been going on, I have to wait because of course my tire is more important. So I'm just gonna make it do what it do, okay? This type of hair to go to work in because when I tell you all I do is wet and go, like I don't have to worry about pulling out the hot curlers, trying to roll, curl my hair early in the morning. Like, yeah, we ain't got time for all that. So like I said, all I do is wet the hair and go and just let it air dry. And then with the weather starting to get a lot warmer, wetting my hair and then going outside is just cool. So let this hair melt, and then if I go to Target, I'll probably bring y'all with me real quick because I'm gonna just go to Target and grab a few things and then bring my little ass back in the house until tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, y'all just came into Target to get popcorn. Look at this. This is by Athena, that Razor brand. They have a body wash and it smells so good, y'all. Oh, and they have vanilla. It smells so good. Went on free deodorant. Alright, so they got the famous ball bags. I don't know if I want to spend $10 right now, but yeah, they got these here. They got this here turquoise and purple. Probably look cute on here. I need a Kindle. Well, I don't need one. I want one. Is this the one that I wanted to get? Well, this is the one right here. Do I really want a Kindle? Oh my gosh, is that 8K? What in the world? They sell this here. Let me get ready to go. Y'all, I'll do a Target haul once I get home. Let me hurry up because I'm on somebody else's time because I don't have my car. So I'll see you when I get home. Alright, so I'm back in the house. Now I'm about to do this real quick Target haul. For my Target visit was because of this. And I ended up with all of that. Tried the new Cloud protein popcorn. I couldn't decide on which one to get, so I ended up getting all three. So she only had three, which is the sea salt, the sweet kettle. Back in the house, so it's time for a real quick Target haul. The reason for my Target visit was to get the new Cloud popcorn, and I ended up with all of this. Like they say, Target will let you know what you need, and they sure did. I couldn't decide on which popcorn to get, so I ended up getting all three because she only had three flavors. So I said, why not just get all three and just try them out? So I got the sea salt, the white cheddar, and then I got the kettle, sweet kettle corn. So I'll let you know how they taste. I don't really want to try them now because I just got finished eating Chick-fil-A. Ended up getting these here little storage things. I got these here because, y'all, when I tell you I have a lot of skincare and stuff from my Sephora gratis. And then I also wanted to organize my bathroom a lot better. So I was like, okay, when I saw these little stackable, what are they? Stackable crates. I was like, okay. So it looks like this. So yeah, I just plan to put like my products in here, like my overflow of products, and keep them in something like this. So I ended up getting two stackable. So let's see how it stacks. Here were $5. They had one that was a little bigger, but I just thought this one was perfect. So you just attach it like so. You can stack them like this. So I thought this would be cute, like underneath my sink or inside of my linen closet. This here oats overnight shake. This here is the maple brown sugar. This is my first time trying it. Honestly, the reason why I got it was because it was cute packaging, and I just thought it would be something good to try. So it says add water and refrigerate. Yeah. It says after mixing, keep refrigerated until ready to consume and enjoy within 36 hours. So yeah, I got that. So I got these two plastic cups because I have a lot of glass cups, but every so often you need a good plastic cup. Replenish my aluminum foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down here. On sale, they were $7. I got this to put on my my lip glosses. Got this. This here is by the Tabitha Brown collection. It says like so like that. So I plan to put my popcorn butter in here, my popcorn salt. I was excited about because I was looking back during a holiday. Benefit came out with like with this little crate thing, and I didn't buy it because I don't know. I just felt like it was just too pricey for what I wanted because it was a basket like this from Benefit. It may have been just a little smaller, but it kind of looked like this, and I was looking to get something like this to, again, when I do my gratis hauls, when I do my favorites and stuff, and you know, I can carry it in something like this versus putting it in like a bin or a box or something. So yeah, I'm glad I waited because this one here was $5 versus however much that was. I know it was like $60 or $70, and I only wanted it because of the little crate. And this one here I'm excited about. I'm gonna have to play with this. So I got this because you know, I work at Sephora, and to have something clear will make it a lot easier for when it's time to check out. at the end of my shift to fill her up with my goodies and see how she looks. If it's something that I don't like, she's going back, and it was $20. It's new to me. I just saw it at Target. It's by that Athena brand. This is the I use their razors. So I saw that they had this hair body wash, y'all. When I tell you this body wash smells so fruity, it smells like summer. It's like summer in a bottle, y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. They also have the what is it? The deodorant and the body spray. I did vlog a part of me in Target, so you probably see that in the vlog. Also got this here, got to be glued, bonding glue for my wigs. So I wanted to try something different because, I don't know, the binding glues that I have, they just ain't working right. So I got that to try. Dove hand soap. And then last but not least, I got this here, Mrs. Meyer's Clementine scent. I'm not sure if this is new or not, but I did get this hair scent because it's giving like summer vibes, because it's officially summer now since it's past May. So the pools are open. Yep, it smells so good, y'all. Because I was using like one of my winter scents. Oh, let me get this. So I got this to try out, y'all. Thing I got from Target. Like I said, I'm going to play with this and see how this look packed. I'm going to go ahead and take this stuff out and keep this to the side. So instead of me having to open up everything, I can probably be like, okay, y'all can see through my bag. So yeah, y'all, that's everything I got from Target. So I hope y'all enjoyed this here vlog. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. I just tried the sea salt popcorn. It's a taste you have to get used to because you could taste the protein powder. So it's a taste you definitely have to get used to. Like, the kettle corn may taste a little better. And this is not popcorn that you make a big bowl with, because I'm a popcorn eater. So when I make popcorn, I usually like to put it in a bowl like this. Not with that protein. Like a small little bowl like this probably would be more than enough. Okay, yeah. I like the kettle corn better. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. Like, it's just a taste that I ain't used to. So let's try the white cheddar. The kettle corn. Let me just put it in a bowl by itself. The kettle corn is my favorite. Okay, the white cheddar I like. I'm not a big fan of the sea salt. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my white cheddar and kettle corn. So I just wanted to let y'all know my thoughts. If y'all tried the cloud popcorn, let me know which ones are your favorite. Like I said, this is not, it's not bad, but I'm sorry, I don't like it. Go ahead and sit down and watch TV and relax, because I've been out all day. So I just wanted to get on here and share my thoughts.